It's another edition of What's on the Porch, and I am so excited. I just got home from work. I touched up my makeup and threw on some lipstick because I don't always look this gorgeous. Turn the camera on because, y'all, I am so excited about this box that landed on my porch today. Let's get into what's in the box. Hey, howdy. Hey, y'all. Leanna here. I have 2 mystery boxes from Makeup Geek. Makeup Geek, I'm so excited. I was watching one of Marlena's videos and she was talking about plans for the future and future plans for her brand, her business, where she was going, all the things. And she said that they still have some products on their website, which I knew, but I had bought most of them, and she said we have a couple of mystery boxes. There were 2. One was for caramel deep skin, and the other was for fair medium. So I ordered both of them. I got my blade. Let's open it. I am so excited. It is ridiculous to be this excited. Love me some Makeup Geek. Love it. Alright, I don't know how they have them. Look at all the goodies. Ooh, I see lots and lots of goodies. My little packaging slip says that they put both of them in this box. Did I tell you how much they were? They're unfortunately sold out. Because I hopped right on there, boy. While she was still talking about it in the video, I was on the website. These were $48 each, and then I paid $6.85 for shipping. And it looks like they're just all together. Ooh, lots of pretties. Lots of pretties. Alright, I took it all out of the box. I got it laid out all over my desk. Let's see if we can quickly go through this. I got 2 pair of false eyelashes. These are called Fearless, both of them. And they're very pretty. Love those. I will be keeping those. Some of the stuff I will be sharing with friends. I got empty palettes, and I'm quite excited. I do not have this type, and I do have some blush and something else, maybe a bronzer of theirs that I did not have a little palette to put those in. I'm assuming that's what these are for. I'm super excited about that. I will be keeping both of those. These are kind of scratched up, which kind of wish they weren't, but I would scratch them up anyway, so what difference does it make? And then these little magnetic palettes. There are 4 of these, and they all have mirrors in them. I am sure that I will probably share a couple of those. And I have 2 of these, and now I have 2 more. These are magnetic as well with a nice mirror in them. Very nice. So I'm happy about those. Like I said, I just wish they were not all scratched up, but that's okay. And then I have brushes. And so it looks like they gave me 2 of the same brushes, but I ordered 2 mystery bundles. I think I have 1 Makeup Geek brush. So this does not say what it is, but I'm assuming that it is a foundation brush, but you could also use it for precision blush and bronzer. I have 2 of those, so I'm going to put 1 to the side to give to my daughter. And then I have 2 of these. I'm assuming that these are for powder, like blush. Again, it doesn't say what it's for, but I always use my brushes however I like. These have a nice handle on them. Very nice. I like those. The other one is the same. I'll put that over to the side for Brandy. And then we have this little bundle. It doesn't say on here which was which, but I am going to say that this is for the deep. Very pretty. Love those shades. This is tawny and this is burnished. Those are very nice. Those are bronzers. And then I have a blush. This is Chivalry. That's very pretty. And a highlighter. And this is Firework. Very nice. And then in the other bundle, I have an eyeshadow. This is Medieval. Oh, look at this blush. Look how pretty that is. That's Desire. This is a highlighter. This is Ignite. And then we have bronzer in Chestnut. And another highlighter in Ablaze. That's really pretty too. I want to say the website said the value of the boxes would be about $200. I can see that. And then I have 2, 4, 6, 7 more single shadows. This is Current Obsession, Had Me at Yellow, Dark Roasted, Hot Tamale, Eternally Grateful, Meant to Be, and this is the Medieval, which was in the little bundle. I have a lot of their single shadows. Love them, love them. I have eyeliners. Yes. We have Gunmetal, Nude, and Navy. And they're the same, so one for each bundle. I've got to check out this Gunmetal. Oh yeah, I like that. That's pretty. Guess I'm keeping that one. Let's do the Navy, shall we? Oh, that's pretty. They're very creamy. And then the Nude. Oh, I like that one too. Very fine tip point there on those. And then I have brows. I have 2 red duo. I have 2 medium brown, and I have a dark brown. And the last 2 things that I have are 2 full spectrum eyeliner, and they are both ivory. And this is white, and that as well is very creamy. Very nice. So I'm super excited. There's a lot of dark shades here that I'm probably not going to be able to use, but I got friends. And I think that they will love them. So, thanks for hanging out with me and watching me open up my Makeup Geek mystery boxes. Just a quick little video. Are you new here? Have you subscribed? There's a little subscribe button down there. Go click on that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And before you leave me, hit that like button, show it some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see you in my next video. Love you, bye. Christopher, do you need a little little pallets to put your hooks. I don't think you can get a lure in here. Well, maybe you could if you got little teeny tiny thin worms. Are they magnetic? Do we need to create you some little fishing pallets for you to put your stuff in? We can do that. Mama loves you, boo.